In this video, we will solve few problems which are based on polygons and quadrilaterals. Some important points to remember. Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always equals to 360 degree. If you have to calculate the sum of interior angle, then we use the formula n minus 2 in bracket multiply by 180 degree, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Another formula to calculate the sum of interior angle is 2n minus 4 in bracket multiply by 90 degree. If you have to calculate each interior angle of a polygon, then we'll use the formula n minus 2 multiply by 180 degree upon n, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. If you have to calculate each exterior angle, then 360 degree will be divided by the number of sides of the polygon. If we have to calculate the number of sides of a polygon, then we can use the formula 360 degree upon exterior angle. If you have to calculate the number of diagonals, then for that we'll use the formula n minus 3 in bracket upon 2, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. The first question that we will discuss, that is, find the sum of measure of the interior angles of a polygon with number of sides 8, 12. So we will find out the sum of interior angles. So let's use the formula n minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. In the first part of the question it is given 8. So n value is given to you 8. That means the number of sides of that polygon is 8. So 8 minus 2 multiply by 180 degree. This will be equals to 6 multiply by 180 degree, and this will be equals to 1080 degree. So 1080 degree. So this way we will calculate the sum of the interior angle. Another way to solve the same question is with the formula 2n minus 4 multiply by 90 degree. Here the value of n is 8 here. So 2 multiply by 8 minus 4 into 90 degree. So 2 into 8 16. 16 minus 4 into 90 degree. So this will be 12. 12 into 90 degree. So 12 nines are 108 and 108 and 10 is there, put the 10. So this way we will calculate the sum of the interior angles of the given polygon with number of side 8. So let's do the next question now. See here the method is given. Sum of measures of all the interior angle of a 8-sided polygon 2n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree. So you have put the values there of n, that is 8. So 2 multiplied by 8 minus 4 in bracket multiplied by 90, and the result is 1080. Similarly you can do the other parts also. Now the next question is, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 24 degree. So let's do it. You all know the formula to calculate the exterior angle, that is, if you are knowing the exterior angle, and if you have to calculate the number of sides, same formula we use, only vice versa is there. So if you have to calculate the number of sides, then 360 degree will be divided by each exterior angle. And suppose if you want to calculate each exterior angle and you are knowing the number of side, then each exterior angle is equals to 360 degree upon n. So you can see they are vice versa with each other. If any you are knowing, either you are knowing the number of sides, or if you are knowing the exterior angle, the other one you can calculate. So let's proceed with the question now. So the first part of the question is saying that the exterior angle is given here 24 degree. So the number of sides, as you know the formula, 360 degree is divided by exterior angle. So 360 degree upon 24. So when you will perform the division, you will get the number of sides equals to 15. That means the polygon is having 15 sides. Similarly, you can do the other parts also of this question. Now let's solve the next question. The next question is find the number of sides of a regular polygon if each of its interior angle is given to you. So we will use the formula. So we are having two formulas. Either you can use interior angle is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree upon n, and you put the value of interior angle here, and then we will calculate. This way you can do. Another way, you are knowing interior angle formula. This is also 2n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree upon n. You can use this formula also. And one more method I will tell you, but first of all let us solve with the first formula. Then another way also I will tell you how to do. So here the interior angle is given to you 90 degree. N minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree upon n here. So let's solve it. So when you can do one thing. You can bring this side. So this you can write as into n, and bring this 180 will divide this expression. This is equals to 2n minus 2. n minus 2. Solve it. Now once you have got n upon 2 is equals to n minus 2. Now further we will solve it. So let's solve it. So we got n upon 2 is equals to n minus 2. Now let's do the cross multiplication. So n is equals to 2n minus 4 here. So we will do the cross multiplication here. So 2n, when this 2 is multiplied with n minus 2, you will get 2n minus 4. Now let's transpose them. So 2n minus n, and this one you send this side here. So you will get 4 here. Therefore the value of n is 4. So the number of sides will be how much? 4. So this way we have calculated. Now another way is very short and very easily you can find it out. So see that method also. Whenever there is a pair of angles, so there is always an interior and exterior angle pair. So interior angle plus exterior angle, sum is always equals to 180 degree. So for any polygon, the sum of the interior angle and one exterior angle which is allocated with this or which is associated with that, though they both sum is equals to 180 degree. So you are knowing the interior angle here. So with the help of the interior angle, we'll calculate the exterior angle. So exterior angle we will calculate. So 180 degree minus 90 degree. So this is equals to 90 degree. Once you have calculated the exterior angle, now we will, in order to calculate the number of sides, we will use the formula 360 degree upon each exterior angle. Exterior angle you have got calculated 90 degree. Perform the division and you will get the number of sides equals to 4. So this way we can do this question. Hope you all have understood. Both ways you can use and you can find it out. Now next question is, If the angles of a pentagon are in the ratio of 7 is to 8 is to 11 is to 13 is to 15, find the angles. So we have three angles in ratio. They are how much? They are 7 is to 8 is to 11 is to 13 is to 15. So let us consider each angle. When angles are given in ratio, then we will consider the angles by associating a variable with it. So the first angle will be 7x, second angle will be 8x, third angle will be 11x, fourth angle will be 13x, and fifth angle will be 15x. Now in a pentagon, one more way you can find out without solution. See here. So let's draw a pentagon. Now let's draw its diagonal and see how many triangles we are getting. So in a pentagon, the number of triangles formed is 3. And each triangle angle sum is 180 degree. So there are such 3 triangles. So 180 degree into 3, and this will give you 540 degree. That means the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equals to 540 degree. This way you can find out, or you can verify your result also. So we have calculated the sum of interior angle here. Otherwise, we will use the formula to calculate it. So we all know the formula, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. As you know, in a pentagon there are 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. This is equals to 3 multiplied by 180 degree, and which is equals to 540 degree. So this way we have calculated the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. Once we have done this and we have considered all the angles here, they are 7x, 8x, 11x, 13x and 15x. So sum of these all angles will be equals to 540, the sum of the angles of a pentagon. So 7x plus 8x plus 11x plus 13x plus 15x will be equals to 540. Now we will do the sum of these angles. So when you find the sum of these angles, you will get 54x, and x will be equals to 540 divided by 54, which is equals to 10. So now you will calculate all the angles. So let's calculate the angle. The first angle 7x. So 7 into 10, that is equals to 70 degree. Second angle 8 into 10. So it will give you 80 degree. Third angle 11x. So 110 degree. Fourth angle 13 into 10, that will be 130 degree. And the fifth angle is 15x. So 15 into 10, that will be 150 degree. So this way we have calculated all the 5 angles of the pentagon. Now the next question. In a quadrilateral ABCD, AB is parallel to this DC. If A ratio D is given to you, if the ratio of the angle A and D is given to you 2 is to 3, and the ratio of B and C is given to you 7 is to 8. So find the measure of each angle. So what are given here? The ratios of the angles are given here. So let's solve it. In the question, it's a information which is given here that these two lines are parallel to each other. And as I have explained you in the previous chapter, that if one pair of parallel lines are there in a quadrilateral, that means it is a trapezium. And you know that sum of the co-interior angles of a trapezium is always equals to 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle D will be equals to 180 degree. And similarly, this angle C and angle B will also be equals to 180 degree. So angle C plus angle D will be equals to, angle C plus angle B will be equals to 180 degree. So using this we will calculate the value of x, and then we will calculate the value of the angle. So let's do the question now. So as we have studied in the question, we will use that. So angle A plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Angle A is 2x and angle D is 3x. So sum of 2x plus 3x, this will be 5x. 5x is equals to 180 degree, and for calculation of x we will divide 180 by 36 by this 5, so we will get 36 here. Similarly, b plus c is equals to 180 degree. B value is 7y and c value is 8y, and the sum of these both angle will be equals to 180 degree. When you add 7y and 8y, you will get 15y, and that is equals to 180 degree, or y is equals to 180 degree will be divided by this 15 and you will get 12. So we have got the value of x and y here. Now we will calculate the angles. So angle A is equals to 2x. So 2 multiplied by 36, that will be 72 degree. Angle D is given to you 3x. So 3 multiplied by 36, that will be 108 degree. 7y is equals to 7 multiplied by y value we have calculated equals to 12. So 7y is equals to 7 multiplied by 12, that will be 84 degree. And 8y, 8 multiplied by 12, that will be 96 degree. So this way we have calculated the 4 angles. So the next question is, in the given figure find x plus y plus z. So we have to find out the sum of the exterior angles here. So let's do it. In this question, if you see in this triangle 2 of the angle is given. So first of all we will calculate the third angle of the triangle. So for that, the sum of 90 degree and 70 degree is equals to 160 degree, and from 180 degree we'll subtract this 160 degree. So the third angle of the triangle will be 20 degree. So this angle is 20 degree. Now we will calculate this x, y and z now. So if you see the question, this one is forming a linear pair. So if two angles whose sum is 180 degree, that is forming a linear pair, and it's so 90 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree, or x is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. So x value we have got 90 degree. Similarly, we'll calculate the value of y. So y will be equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree, and this is 110 degree. Similarly, here also z also we have to calculate. So z will be equals to 180 degree minus the third angle we have calculated 20 degree. So 180 degree minus 20 degree. So this is equals to 160 degree. So the three angles we have calculated now. Now let's find out the sum of these three angles. So x plus y plus z. X is 90 degree, y is 110 degree, and this z is equals to 160 degree. The sum of these both will be equals to 360 degree. So this way we have shown that the sum of the three exterior angles of the given triangle is equals to 360 degree. Now let's do the next question. The next question is, we have to find out the value of this xyz here. One of the angle is given and we have to calculate this parallelogram, these xyz angles. So let's do it. This is a parallelogram. This angle, so these two lines are parallel here, and this is the transversal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore angle y is equals to 120 degree here. So this way we have calculated angle y. Angle y is equals to 120 degree, and you can write here corresponding angle. So this way we have calculated the value of y, angle y. Now let's calculate the remaining angles. So as you know, in a parallelogram, two adjacent angles are supplementary. This angle is 120 degree. So the sum of angle A and angle B will be equals to 180 degree. That means A plus B sum will be equals to 180 degree. As you know, the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, angle A will be equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So angle A you will have calculated, that is equals to 60 degree. That means the value of this angle X is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So up to here I think you have understood. Now let's further proceed. So this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 120 degree. Now as you know, in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. That means this angle D and angle B will be equal. So angle B will be equals to angle D. Therefore angle D will be equals to 120 degree. As you know, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Similarly, angle C will be equals to 60 degree. As you know, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore angle A is equals to angle C. So this way we have calculated all the three angles. So angle X is 60 degree, angle Y is 120 degree and angle Z is equals to 120 degree. Now let's do the next question. In the following figure, both ABCD and PQRS are parallelograms. So find the value of X. We have to calculate the value of this X here. This X degree. This X value we have to calculate. But you can see this X is neither the part of, we can see in the given figure there are two parallelograms. First parallelogram is ABCD. So let's proceed with the first parallelogram only. So this is the first parallelogram. And if you see, this parallelogram is none of the interior angles. This X is not a interior angle of the parallelogram. It's residing somewhere in the mid. It's not the interior angle of the parallelogram. But with the help of these parallelogram, we can find out these angles. And with the help of, once we have calculated these two angles, then since it is a triangle here, you can see here it's a triangle. So we can calculate the third angle. So let's proceed with the question now. So first of all, we will take the first parallelogram, this one. And as you know, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. This one will be 120 and adjacent angles are supplementary. That means the sum of angle A and angle B will be equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle B will be equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which means this angle is 60 degree. So this angle will be how much? 60 degree. So angle B we have calculated 60 degree. Now let's proceed with the next parallelogram. So the next parallelogram is PQRS, this parallelogram. In a parallelogram, as you know, the opposite angles are equal. So this 50 degree, so this will also be 50 degree. So now we have calculated these two angles. Angle P and angle B we have calculated. This is 60 degree. So now we can see we have a triangle here, POB. Now as you know, the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Therefore 50 degree plus 60 degree plus X is equals to 180 degree. Find out the sum of these both. 110 degree plus X is equals to 180 degree, and the value of X will be 180 degree minus 110 degree. So this way we have calculated the value of X equals to 70 degree. So this way we can do this question. Now the next question. In the given figure, ABCD is a rhombus. Find the value of x, y and z here. So we have to calculate the value of x, y, z here. So let's do with the question. As you know, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. That means this side will be equals to this side. So if this is 8, then this will also be 8. So similarly, diagonals of this side also equal. So if this is 6, this will also be 6. So this way we have calculated the value of x equals to 8 and the value of y equals to 6. Now as you know, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So this angle will be 90, this angle will also be 90, this will be also 90, this will be also 90. So now you can see we have a right angle triangle here. So clearly just see this is a right angle triangle here. -90-degree angle. This is 8 and this is 6. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we will calculate this side. So the side which is in front of 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse. So that means AB is the hypotenuse here. So as you know, using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the base square and the perpendicular square. The base and the perpendicular, let us write 8 square and plus 6 square. 8 square 64, 6 square 36. The sum of both will be equals to 100 and therefore AB will be equals to square root of 100, which is equals to 10. So this way we have calculated the side AB. So this way we can calculate the side AB also. We have calculated x, y and z here. This side was z. So we have calculated the side z, which is equals to AB here. That is equals to 10. So you can see the solution also. Once again you can see the solution here. The diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So AO will be equals to OC and BO will be equals to OD. Therefore OC will be equals to 8 centimeter and OA is also equals to 8 centimeter. Similarly BO and OD, that also 6 centimeter. So this way we have calculated x and y, and now using the Pythagoras theorem we will calculate the side z. So the side z will be equals to, question, in the given figure ABCD is a rectangle and if angle CEB ratio angle ECB is in the ratio of 3:2, find angle CEB and angle DCF. So we have to calculate these two angles here, this one and this one. And in the question it is given this angle CB is having a ratio of 3 and this ECB, this one is 2x. So let's find out. So as you know, here the ratios are given to you, and this angle, since it is a rectangle, so this angle will be 90 degree. So the sum of these three angles will be equals to 180 degree by the angle sum property of a triangle. So let's calculate the value of x from there. Once you have calculated the value of x, so these two angles you will be able to find out. Once you have find out these two angles, so then what we will do, if you see this is two parallel lines here, because rectangles opposite sides are parallel, and this is a transversal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Once you have calculated this angle, now this both angles are forming a linear pair. The sum of these two angles will be equals to 180 degree. You are knowing this angle, so you can calculate this angle. So this way we will do this question. So let's do the question now. So in triangle BCE, angle B is 90 degree as ABCD is a rectangle. Now angle CEB plus angle ECB, this is equals to 90 degree. Therefore 3x plus 2x will be equals to 90 degree, or angle x value will be 90 will be divided by 5 and it will give you 18 degree. So now let's calculate both the angles. So CEB, that will be equals to 3 into 18, so 54 degree. And another angle, now this way we have calculated one of the angle. Now as I told you in the question, so angle CEB will be equals to angle ECD by alternate interior angles are equal. So these both angle will be equals to 54 degree, and this angle ECD and angle DCF is forming a linear pair. Therefore the sum of these two angles will be equals to 180 degree. So from 180 degree, when you subtract 54 degree, you will get 126 degree. So this way we will calculate this question. Now the next question is, in the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle and the diagonals intersect at O. If angle AOB is given to you 118 degree, find angle ABO, angle ADO and angle OCB. So this question how we will solve? It's a rectangle, and in a rectangle you know the diagonals bisect each other and they are equal also, which means that this side will be equals to this side will be equals to this side, means all the sides will be equal here. So let us now solve it. So as you know, if these two sides are equal, then this triangle AOB which is formed here, this will be a isosceles triangle. Similarly, triangle DOA is also a isosceles triangle. Similarly, triangle DOC will also be isosceles triangle. Similarly, COB will also be an isosceles triangle. So these are isosceles triangle, and as you know, in an isosceles triangle, the sides which are equal, in front of that whatever angles are there, that are also equal. So this angle A will be equals to angle B, and both let us consider equals to x. So this is x and this is x. Now using the angle sum property, we will calculate the value of x. So x plus 118, this will be equals to 180 degree. 2x is equals to 180 degree minus 118, and this will be equals to 62 degree. So x value will be 31 degree. So this way we have calculated the value of x. So this is 31 degree and this is 31 degree. So first part of the question is done now. Angle ABO is equals to 31 degree. So once we have got first question, we have part of the question we have done. Now let's solve the second part of the question, that is angle ADO we have to calculate. For that, if you see, these two angles are forming a linear pair. So this angle will be equals to angle DOA plus 118 degree will be equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle DOA will be equals to 180 degree minus 18 degree. This will provide you 62 degree. So that means this angle is 62 degree. And as I told you, this and this angles are also equal. This is y and this is also y, and this is 62 degree. So let's calculate these angle y. So y plus 62 degree is equals to 180 degree. So let's solve it. 2y is equals to 180 degree minus 62. This will be 118 degree and y will be equals to 59 degree. So that means this angle ADO this angle ADO will be equals to 59 degree. Similarly, you will solve this angle also. OCB will also be of 59 degree. This is 59, this is 59. Now it's a two lines are parallel line and this is a transversal. So alternate interior angles are equals. This is 59, so this will also be 59. Therefore, angle OCB will be equals to 59 degree. So this way we have calculated all the three angles. Once you want to see, you can see the solution here as I have proceeded similar way. So we have calculated angle ABO equals to 31 degree by using the angle sum property. Then using the linear pair property, we have calculated the second angle next to 118 degree, and then we have calculated the value of y, and then OCB will be equals to angle OAD, that is equals to 59 degree by the property of alternate interior angle. So this way we have find out all the three parts of the question.